Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The chaser, and the sustainer of the world, peace and solutions of the world, the messenger of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Respected teachers, honorable judges, and my dear beloved friends, in this glorious specifications, I would like to share you something on the topic that teachers. Every aspect of our life for all technology in development. To start with, let me take the example of Kerala, our beautiful state. She has always been at the forefront of embracing new technologies from beginning the first flight city in India to becoming a hub for information. Technology has revolutionized education, online learning platforms, and digital classrooms. Technology has hub for information. Technology, we witnessed how technology can drive development. Online learning platforms and digital classrooms have made education accessible to students. Very there are parts of our state in areas like Kerala have transformed the way our students learn, making it more interactive and engaging. Assist a teacher. Summarizing complex conduct, another testament to how technology summarizing complex conduct, another testament to how technology is shaping education in healthcare. Technology cash played. Several medications and digital health records have made health more accessible the COVID-19 pandemic showed how now to technology. I called my speech with your permission. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.